Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Actually, today I'm going to be teaching you how to trim out a dress. What I mean by trimming out a dress is after coupling your dress, that's after cutting your bust here, or after joining the three sides, the three pieces of the front and the back together separately, how you now trim out the neck and then you trim out the sides. That's actually what I'm going to be teaching you today. So thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment on this video. Thank you so much. I'll pin it because if you notice, this cloth is really kind of stretchy, so I'll pin so it doesn't shake, so it doesn't shift out from the original position. So, like I said initially, her shoulder is 16, which is 8. So, I'm not trimming out anything from there. So now, then for the neck, since I told you, I said it's kind of like a canoe neck. So, I'm gonna be using 6 inches for the neck. 6 inches. Why I'm using 6 inches is because it's not gonna be deep, or else you run into problem. So, like I told you, I said you can always measure your neck, the measurement of your neck by putting your tape here, and you know where you want it to be. So like this, I'm gonna be making use of 5.5. I really don't want the chalk to stain the dress. So you cut out like this. So from the back part, I want it a little bit deeper. So I'll work with 7.5 inches. So I'll come like this from this point to this point. Like I told you, I don't want the chalk to stain the dress. So that is why I'm doing this. So I'll cut out the back part. Okay. Then if you notice the shoulders, I'm gonna be slanting it down by 1/2 inch. I'll slant it down 1/2 inch. So now the length of my dress, I'll measure the length of my dress, which is 25. But before then, I'll measure out the bust, which is 44. That is 11. I'll add 1.5 inch as my allowance. Then the under bust is 38. Divide by 4, which is 9. I'll add my 1.5 inch allowance Then the down part is shifting already. I'll still go with my 11 and then add 1.5 inch as my allowance. So I'll trim out this part now. This is actually how to shape your dress. That's after coupling the front. Then for the length of the dress, so the length of the blouse is 27, like I've measured it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is just trim it out. What I already have here is 27. So that is that. So I'll use this one piece of the back to trim out the other part. But before then, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is, this is my lining. So how do you shape with your lining? You take your lining, you put it down, and then you take your original fabric, that's the dress, you fold it the way the lining is folded, you put it on top of it. Make sure it is accurate. I don't usually trim out the neck when I'm trimming, so I'll use the machine to do that. It makes it easier. So this is how you trim out. This is how you measure out you trim out your excess from your clothes. So the next thing, I'll take it to my machine and sew. And at the end, I have now come to the end of this illustration. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. If you actually have any question, you can tell me. If you have any video request, you can also tell me. Thank you so much and goodbye.